My name is Brittany Niles. I'm a second-year student in the Culinary Arts Programme at the TAMCC Community College. Some of the courses which the program offers are food prep, baking tech, food arts, and sanitation and hygiene. My favorite parts of the program are the business-related courses. These courses educate you on how to develop and manage your business in the culinary arts field. If you are interested in learning the ins and outs of the culinary world, I encourage you to apply to the Culinary Arts Program at the TAMCC Community College.